Welcome to you. My name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Wow. Yeah. I came across a dream bag that didn't make my wish list, but I'm going to tell you the story later. I just need to unbox it. The courier literally just came and I am going to unbox this beauty with you. So, let's do it. Hey! Alright, so I purchased this bag pre-loved through one of the Australian Facebook groups, and I really have to thank Lucinda at Yellow Chic Road. She sent me a DM on Instagram saying, this bag is available, and I thought of you instantly. And I literally went straight to the site, earned my membership by answering the questions, waited patiently for them to approve my request, and then hit sold. So let's see. Now, the person that I purchased this bag from does a lot of trading on Facebook and Instagram, so I felt like I could absolutely trust that I was buying from a reputable person. And she buys a lot and sells a lot of handbags. She just likes to change over her collection, and she does a bit of Instagramming, I think. So, yeah. Look, the bag's even included. Let's go. Oh, I'm so excited. So, look, the bag's included. It's a bit squished, but that's okay. Even the ribbon on the bag, like, that's just, that's what you want. You want the whole lot. I think I've said a bunch of times that when I purchase pre-loved, I really prefer to buy a full set where I can, because not only does it create a really wonderful experience, but it also makes it easier for when and if you need to move on the item, that you have all of the pieces to recreate that experience for the next person. So it's beautifully taken care of, all wrapped up in this bubble wrap. Bit of ASMR for those who love packages being unwrapped. Don't you just hate it when you want to unbox and your dog starts barking? Thought I had another parcel there for a minute. Alright, so here's the box. Any guesses as to what's in here? Look, I know that I said I wasn't going to be purchasing a bag until I've lost 10 kilos, except if it was one of those hard to get pieces, and this is it. Look at the beautiful job she's done wrapping this up. Isn't that nice? Okay. Oh, the camellia's inside too. See there? Any guesses? The ribbon is all inside. Oh, the bag. The care instructions, and all of the paper is all beautiful in there. Oh, there's the authenticity card as well. Always good. Always peace of mind. I mean, always good peace of mind. Obviously, I'm not thinking clearly. This is a true unboxing. I think this is one of my only true unboxings on my channel, because usually I just can't wait. I was literally even too scared to hop in the shower this morning, thinking that the courier was going to come and I would miss him, and then I'd have to go to the post office, and then la la la. Anyhow. God. Alright, I'm revealing to you. What collection is this from? Maybe it's 20C. I think it's 20C. Wow. So, this is my Chanel, obviously. Don't you hate it when people do that on a Chanel unboxing? Medium seasonal classic flap in denim. Wow, look at it. I mean, oh, I wanted this bag. I badgered my SA for this bag. They didn't get any. Oh, I've got that many screenshots of it saved on my phone, in my Instagram. This is just in immaculate condition. My favourites, obviously Silver Hardware. I actually went into the Chanel store to see my SA about this bag because he was going to get it for me from the Melbourne store. And I saw a woman wearing it, and she gave me the full rundown in the store. It was amazing. Anyway, it wasn't to be. Melbourne opened from lockdown, and someone snaffled it up. Look how cool it is. So it's a single flap, which I really love. And obviously, because it's a fabric construction, being denim, it's a lot lighter bag. Now, what I've heard about this bag, look, the sticker's still on the inside, is that the strap is a lot longer than the normal medium flap. So we're going to have a look at that as well. Oh my goodness. So inside is a plate. So this is very similar to the plate that I've got in my little seasonal, where is it? So this bag here has the same kind of plate with the Made in France, which is, you know, must be something to do with those sorts of collections. So you can see in there. And then there is a slip pocket and a zip pocket, and the zip still has the plastic on it as well. And what I love is this really faint faded CC. It's amazing. I really don't think this strap is actually going to be long enough to wear crossbody on me. But that is okay because this is just a juxtaposition of classic meets casual. Wow. I'm just going to keep looking at it. Whew. Yes, it does fit crossbody. Well, that's good. I wouldn't wear it crossbody with this dress, though. I don't think I'd wear it. Just look at that. Woohoo! Done, but undone. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, I'm going to sit down. Okay, so what can I tell you? I suppose you want to know what fits inside, yeah? Let's do that. I'll show you what fits inside. Wow. 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 I am really, really happy with this bag. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to adjust the camera and I'm going to show you what fits. Okay, so let's see what fits. Wow, I'm just so happy with this bag. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be quite roomy, but you know, we'll see. So here I've got my mini pochette and it's stuffed with a lot of things. I'm sure you don't need to, well, you probably are interested, but for the sake of just showing you what fits, let's just throw it in. I've got my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder and I'm going to put that one in vertically. I have my Gucci Ophidia card holder. Yes, I am still persisting. I am going to change out soon because I'm getting tired of it. And I'm going to put that one in vertically too. I've got my AirPod Pros, which I'll slip in the front. We'll see. I've got a car fob, which will just sit on the top there. Now, I've got an iPhone XS Max, so the plus size iPhone 10, and I might just see if I can slip that in the back here, in that little slip pocket. Yeah, really easily fits in there. And then I've got a pair of sunglasses, which I've put in the soft case on the top. Now that does not look good. So, yep, I was a little bit ambitious there. Let's take it a step back. I think the issue is the thickness of that pochette. So I'm just going to pop these two little loose items, the AirPods and the car fob, on top and see if that's better, and take the glasses out. Yep, so all of that fits. And you can see that there's no misshape there. So I will show you what's in the pochette so that you can see just how much I've packed it. So let's give you a look in there. So I've just popped those things on top. Now, inside of the pochette, in case you were wondering, is a lot. I've got a heap of mints. I've got a lipstick here. I've got some hand sanitizer and a pack of tissues. So, like, that is a lot of things to fit in what is essentially a medium flap bag. You wouldn't get this in a double flap, I wouldn't think, along with all of your keys and a card holder, AirPod Pros, a phone, and your car fob. And yes, that would be a little bit tricky to mull around, but I mean, seriously, like, that's everything that I want to carry and some. So yeah, super impressed. So that is my unboxing of my Chanel denim flap. Oh, in the medium size. I think it's from 20C. I don't know. I should have looked it up. I couldn't be bothered. I just wanted to film this video as I unboxed it because I couldn't wait any longer. Waiting for this bag has been like waiting for, you know, anti-aging serum to arrive. I'm getting wrinkles by the minute. What happened was Lucinda alerted me to the fact that this bag was for sale. I applied to join the Facebook group. The admin admitted me. I found the post. I said sold pending. I asked them questions. I was convinced it was fine. I said I'm taking it on a payment plan because at that time I was still deciding to sell my Chanel boy. I transferred a deposit of 30% whilst I made sure that I was actually selling my boy. Then when I decided I was selling my boy, I transferred the next payment a week later. I did it from my savings account. Now, I didn't realise that PayPal treats payments from your savings account as checks, and it takes 6 days to clear. And on the website, it says between 3 and 6 days. And I thought the money was there, so it would clear straight away. It didn't clear for the whole 6 days, so I'm waiting for 6 whole days, and then it cleared on a weekend. Then the seller was located in WA, which is Western Australia, for those who aren't familiar with Australia. It's on the other side of the country. Western Australia was announced to go into lockdown the day that the money cleared. And because they hadn't been into lockdown before, my seller was unsure of whether or not the post office would be open. I was sure it was. Anyhow, she got to the post office and she'd had the bag packaged up for me, and it was just an absolute treat dealing with her. I will link her Facebook page below if she's okay with me doing that. Because I know that she sells quite a few items and it's been just such a pleasure dealing with her. So if you are based in Australia and you are looking to deal with someone that is trustworthy, in my experience, she absolutely was. So if you've liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Did you guess what I was going to choose? Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and sometimes some sneaky little ones in between. So I'll see you next time. Bye.